Hi, this is Dr. Gordo, and welcome to the Raven and the Writing Desk. In today's short video, we're taking a quick look at the question mark. Simply put, it's the mark of punctuation we put at the end of the sentence to indicate that a question is being asked. And it is quite easy to make. We're just going to put a dot, followed by this kind of squiggly line, straight line, and we can kind of create that curved line, straight line, and a dot. Either way, it's going to work. In order to demonstrate how the question mark is used, I'm going to use a line from maybe the funniest movie of my lifetime, Anchorman 2004. If you haven't seen the movie, it's okay. I hope you see it to understand the joke. But with a period at the end, the following reads, "I'm Ron Burgundy." And you just say it plainly like that. But when a question mark's at the end, "I'm Ron Burgundy," notice that increasing of the voice in the end is called an inflection. "I'm Ron Burgundy," as opposed to the exclamation mark where you're shouting like, "I'm Ron Burgundy." So to take a closer look at what that looks like, "I'm Ron Burgundy." "I'm Ron Burgundy." "I'm Ron Burgundy." In passing, I should mention the concept of the rhetorical question. A rhetorical question is when you ask a question in the form of a statement. You are not actually expecting an answer. So for example, "I wonder if it will ever end." You have the inflection in there when you're saying it out loud. It is a question mark at the end, but I don't think anyone in my immediate surrounding is going to have the answer to that. Again, it's a rhetorical question. It's actually a statement. We should also mention the imperative. The imperative is a command, not a question. So sometimes to be polite, we make our commands sound like questions, such as, "Will everyone please sit down?" I'm not asking people to sit down. I'm telling them to sit down. But you may get a bit of that inflection in there when you're asking it in speech. But if you were to write it down, no question mark is put. Again, just to kind of round out this video, because there's not too much to say about the question mark, because it's simply put at the end of a sentence to ask a question. If it's a rhetorical question, we also have the question mark, even though we're not looking for an answer. Although in speech, when we use the question mark, we inflect our voice so that our audience can hear that a question is being asked. Is a question being asked? Again, so just slightly increasing your voice there at the end. But when it comes to the imperative, even if you're using a bit of inflection to be polite, don't worry about putting the question mark there if you were to happen to write down that statement. And there you have it. Be sure to check out some of our other videos listed on the screen. And in the meantime, please like, subscribe, and ask any questions in the comments. I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as I can. And so I thank you for your time and have a great day. Bye.